Now, Sylvia.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to start with a song by Ian and Sylvia.
Okay.
Mid-60s, I think, or maybe early 60s. It's their distinctive song that everyone knows. Four Strong Winds.
Okay.
Signature song. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I think I'll go out to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go to working for. Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are going good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then would be winter, ain't too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Ian and Sylvia.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Are they still going?
Ian died about 2 years ago out in Alberta on his ranch. Sylvia Flicker is still around, still performing actually.
Mm.
They'd be early, well, he's passed, but I guess she's in her early 80s.
What about Loreena McKennitt? Does anyone know if she's still performing?
Good question. I don't know. Don't know. She's from Nova Scotia, isn't she? I think so.